Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
I'm a new admission here at this school. Can I talk to you for a moment?
Why not? Welcome to my school. I'm so happy you joined us.
Thank you. So, I heard from the principal that this school doesn't take any fees and that it's supported by Punjab Education Foundation. Is that true?
Yes, it's completely true. Here, no admission fee, no monthly fee, no paper funds, and books are free. PEF covers all of that for students.
Wow, that's amazing.
And it's not just about fees. PEF monitors come every few months to check everything: school facilities, attendance, and how the students are doing. Also, to make sure the school maintains a high standard of education, PEF conducts the QAT, Quality Assurance Test, once every year.
Oh, that's very organized and careful.
Exactly. And they have also started spoken English classes in the school. These classes are really well structured and help in improving our English a lot.
That's really helpful. So, it's completely free, well monitored, and we even get extra educational support.
Yes, compared to other schools, it's very different. PEF really ensures students get quality education and proper support.
I'm really happy I joined here.
Welcome again, and don't worry, you are in good hands here. Come on, I'll show you around my school. You will love it.